Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how I'm using my Snackle box. I'm not using mine for snacks like most people. I'm using my Snackle boxes for meal prep. And this makes life so easy. I have the 8 compartments and the 9 compartments. For the 8 compartments, I use it for the larger veggies like the broccoli. Here's the comparison for both of them. They are the same sizes on the outside. The one with the 8 compartment is a little bit more rigid. The one with the 9 compartment is a little bit smaller. Each one hold enough for a full size meal. So we have rice, veggies, and meats. I also use one for breakfast. I store boiled eggs and scrambled eggs and bacon. They have a silicone lining that goes all the way around. It keeps the food fresh. They make things so much easier and saves on space also. I have a small fridge. The lids snap in place very easily and the handles are functional so you can carry them on the go also. I love these containers so much. They save me so much time. I have one more on the way and I'm going to be making more purchases. I think you will love them too.